Condition-based maintenance. Condition-based maintenance, or CBM, is a maintenance strategy that monitors the actual condition of an asset, to decide what maintenance needs to be done. CBM dictates that maintenance should only be performed when certain indicators show signs of decreasing performance, or upcoming failure. Checking a machine for these indicators may include non-invasive measurements, visual inspection, performance data, and scheduled tests. Condition data can then be gathered at certain intervals, or continuously. Condition-based maintenance can be applied to mission-critical and non-mission-critical assets. For condition-based maintenance to be successful, there are several other elements of your maintenance operation that need to be in place. That includes having a scheduled maintenance strategy that allows you to inspect and spot anomalies in equipment, and trigger timely follow-up work orders as well.